This is a 101 tutorial how to peel pear skin like a Vietnamese. So it's kind of different from Korean, I think, because we'll hold the knife like this and we'll put our index finger on the fruit and then slide the knife gently, and there's come a strip of fruit skin. Yeah, so I see many other countries they will hold the knife into this, yeah, like this. It's kind of weird, so I just gonna do the way I usually do. So if you practice this enough, you can peel the skin in just one strip. This is used for peel apple skin too, and you can try out. It's pretty cool, right? You can use a fruit skin peeler, but it's not satisfied. This is a weird tutorial because I didn't say much about the technique, but you just learn from yeah. Fun fact, our channel is called Pear Rice. Ha ha ha, so funny. Yeah, I'm almost done. Now let's divide it in half and remove the cord. I think it's not good for eating the seeds. Like apple. In apple there's a toxic chemical, right? Yeah. Enjoy. It's juicy, but it's not really sweet or sour or anything. It's just kind of bland, like eating apple. Yeah, bye bye.